Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. A group of people from Delhi have filed a plea in High Court, Delhi High Court regarding NEET PG 2021 re-exam. So what is the need of getting exam conducted again on the same day on 11th of September in Delhi? There was heavy rain. And due to that many candidates couldn't reach to the examination center, and due to the delay they couldn't participate in the examination. So they have filed a plea in Delhi High Court to just a request from NB to get the exam conducted for them again. And also I came to know some of the candidates had faced technical issues on the day of examination. For like half an hour or 45 minutes their system couldn't work properly, and as per the rule, because there is only one IP to be allocated for one candidate, and they lost half an hour time. So many issues happens in the practical environment. No matter how better you prepare for the examination day, when there are 1,75,000 candidates, then definitely this thing will be happening. But this plea will actually may impact the date of result. So in order to make all the things, all the decision clear before time, another decision which is pending in Supreme Court. The hearing is going to happen on 24th, and on top of that we got this plea in Delhi High Court. So there are many things are happening, but still within all these things candidates are waiting for the result to get announced, and based on the result they will proceed with the further processing. So with all this, you keep analyzing your strategy, and then based on that you have a plan which branch you are going for, what will be the tuition fee, whether you will get government or you need to go for DNB, all the possibilities. And for any kind of help or strategize your planning, you can call to us, and you can also subscribe to our paid counseling guidance. So with this I end this video, and we'll meet again in the next topic. So thanks for watching and have a great day.